This chicken dinner saves me so much time every week, and if you try it, it's gonna save you a lot of time too. It's simple ingredients, one pan, a lot of flavor, quick, kind of what I look for in a weeknight dinner. One night, my wife came home with some chicken thighs and rosemary, and she wanted baked chicken and vegetables. And then this dish was born. It came out better than expected, so that's why I'm sharing it with you today. It's very easy to put together, so let's do it. So we got some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs over here. We're gonna drizzle them with a little olive oil, a little salt, pepper, and some fresh rosemary. Now we're just gonna massage the chicken just to let all these flavors come together. You definitely wanna get bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. You could also do legs. You could do a mix of legs and thighs. It's really up to you. I would definitely get chicken that has skin on, fat. That's really gonna help this dish really come together. Just gonna mix this for a minute, and now we'll sear the chicken. So we'll get this pan nice and hot, and we'll start searing the chicken. We're gonna go in skin side down, and we're not adding any olive oil to the pan because the chicken already has some oil on it. Gonna let this cook for a few minutes, give the skin a little color, and then we'll flip them. So these picked up some nice color. Let's flip them. I'll show you. This is exactly what you want here. All right, so our job here is almost done. We flipped the chicken. We got some nice color on here, nice crispy skin. So now we're gonna add in some vegetables. And I have a mix of onions and carrots. The carrots, I cut them in nice big wedges, and the onions, I pretty much quartered them, just like thick quarters. The reason I'm keeping them so big is because I want them to hold up in the cooking so that you could kind of get a fork in them. They don't just kind of disappear in the baking. So we're gonna add these in, and we're just gonna nestle them in. And I like chopping up the vegetables like this. It's very rustic, and that's where the name came from, Rustic Chicken. So, I mean, one time I actually threw the onions in with the skin on, made it even more rustic. But obviously for YouTube, we'll take the skin off these onions. And this is really it. I'm just gonna nestle these in. And this looks good. So we'll season the vegetables up with a little salt and pepper. Now we're gonna go in with some white wine. I have a Pinot Grigio. I recommend a dry white wine for this dish. And don't worry if your kids are eating this, the wine's gonna cook out. We'll top it all off with some more rosemary. And now you have two different ways of cooking this. You could cover it, and we can cook it on low for about 45 minutes. The problem with that is the skin loses its crisp, or we could bake it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lightly cover this with aluminum just so that prevents any oil from spattering in the oven, and we're gonna bake it. And the last 20 minutes, we'll uncover it just to let the skin get crisp. So we'll pop this in the oven. So it's been about 45 minutes, and this is it. You can see the chicken is nice and crispy. The vegetables are cooked. So we'll get this on a plate. And I really like this dish because when we go to the supermarket for grocery shopping for the week, we always pick up some thighs and some rosemary. We already have carrots and onions at home, so we know what we're gonna make. And it's easy, it's quick. And especially going to the supermarket, it can be a little confusing or frustrating sometimes trying to put meals together. But this one's really easy because you know you have carrots, you know you have onions, so all you need is chicken and rosemary. And I want to show you the sauce that's in the pan, which is pretty much just the fat from the chicken and then some of the liquid that breaks down from the vegetables. It creates this really good sauce that's great over, I mean, anything. Rice, potatoes, bread. So this is really like the liquid gold in this. And the great thing about chicken thighs is they're pretty forgiving. You could overcook them and they still taste great. They come out tender. So good. And the best part about this dish is really the vegetables, the onions and the carrots. They really pick up all the flavor from the chicken. You can see the color on the onions. You throw these onions over some rice, potatoes, or bread. We usually just serve this up with bread. That's kind of what we do. Any opportunity I get to just eat something with bread, I'm sold. So just a few slices of bread, these vegetables, this chicken. It's a perfect meal. You definitely have to try it. And if you like it, have another chicken recipe linked right here. Try that one too. And if you try this dish, let me know how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell, like, and subscribe.